Good morning. Guess what today is? It's almost the Labor Day weekend, and I'm taking Friday off, so today is my new Friday. Are you living out of your car most of the time, like I am? Working in the field, or juggling multiple roles or jobs, or caretaking others, caretaking yourself? Are you saving money by packing a lunch? I do. Would you like a peek? Take a peek into my lunch sack. And whether you're plant-based or not, perhaps you're wanting to get more fruits and vegetables into your meal plan and to save money doing it. First of all, let's start over here. What is this? What is this? Why, it's a small baked potato. One of my favorite things. I roasted a bunch of these this morning. It's still warm. That will be one of my delicious snacks. I already had a small uh, lentil sweet savory breakfast sandwich this morning. It was delicious. Later on, once I get to the office or somewhere I can sit down and ideally not eat in my car, though I will, I have some oatmeal with, yes, that is spinach. There are greens in my oatmeal, strawberries. I have some lemon juice in there. I use a little bit of stevia for sweetener. That works well for me. I have a banana. I have an apple. I have some little baby carrots. I also snuck in some almond milk to put on my cereal when I'm ready for that. I have a nifty little container for my utensils. And in here, because I'm going out of town, I was cleaning out my produce drawer so things aren't spoiling. That, my friends, is some garlic and ginger eggplant with celery and purple onions, ginger, all sorts of yummy goodness. I actually made it a little bit of a spicy with some cayenne. I used some lime juice, a little bit of orange juice in there, a little shot of low sodium soy sauce just to give it a little kick. And then I steamed some rice in my rice cooker this morning. So I did all this. I batch cook, but I also sometimes will just prep early morning after my workout. Steamed some rice, threw on some more greens, a little bit of seasoning. I threw some pepper on there because I like my food spicy, and some rice wine vinegar. So I will heat that up. So I will be able to get into the office and have access to a microwave, which is always lovely. Though oftentimes there are those moments where I'm just making do and stopping at a park or in a library parking lot or something and eating out of my car. This is the most economical and nutritious way for me to take good care of myself and stay away from expensive places to eat that don't often have things that are in my best interest. Even if I want to stop and pick up something extra, I might just go to a grocery store. But tell me in the comments, what are your favorite ways to put more fruits and veggies, whether you're plant-based or not? I would love to hear. Have a great day. Bye.